Hello friends, how you guys doing today? You're watching TBA tutorial session, and we're gonna be talking about how you can get a mentor online for free, or you can be a mentor online. So it doesn't matter your domain, whatever you're into. If you're into music, if you're into business, you're into administration, or whatever you're into, you can be a mentor online to mentor other people and help other people around the world, and as well as having your own mentor as many as possible. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create an email account, and you want to go to a website which I'm going to give to you. So please just take a pen and paper and take a deep breath, and I'll be back for you in a minute. All right, so are you ready? Are we ready? So what you got to do now is to go on your search engine and type micromentor.org. When you type micromentor.org, it's going to give you an option to sign in, or you register as a member. It's going to give you an option to create an account. So that's all you do. If you want to create Facebook or Google or LinkedIn, that's up to you. So what I'm going to do is, even though I've created my own account, you can register on or create an account using your email address. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my first name, I'm going to take my last name, I'm going to take, so that's all you need to do. So let me just take my first name, my last name, okay, and I'm gonna put in my Gmail address. Okay, so I'm gonna do that with creating my password. So I just need to create a simple password that I can be able to access my account, and they say I should confirm my password, and we're good to go. So they say I should continue. So once you sign in like that, they're gonna tell you to confirm your email address. So I think they've sent a message. So they're gonna ask you a series of questions. Your step 1 out of 9. So they're asking you to save it. I'll save my phone. So you're joining Micromentor as an entrepreneur. To change your role, click here. So if you're joining as an entrepreneur, so they're gonna give you a different domains to click and decide on how you're joining. So they're going to talk about entrepreneurs may not ask mentors for financial support. I think these are their policies. Mentors may not charge for their services. So no mentor charges you for the service, and you ain't asking for no money from mentors. All right, whatever information you need, you just ask the mentor. The mentor is going to give you. You write them. Some mentors don't like phone calls. You just need to go online and make sure that you reply your emails, or the website has a platform or a way or a service in which you can write messages to your mentor, and your mentor also replies you within 24 hours. You get replies. For example, if your mentor is in Europe or in Texas or in Germany, you can write your mentor like, good evening sir, please, how do you ask for funding for your company? And your mentor is going to give you directives to say, okay, you can use these websites to ask for funding for your company, and these are legit and genuine websites. If you want to travel business, you can ask your mentor anything about travel, and the person is going to give you the right answers. All right, so you confirm and then you continue. While you continue, you just, on the third step, you say just the facts about your username. You set up your profile. All right, so you can upload a profile photo from your pictures, so that your mentor should know who he's talking to. So you can see I can upload any picture of mine here, and you see it. So that's it. I don't want to upload no picture here because I don't want it. Your country of residence, if you're in Afghanistan, if you are in Cameroon, if you're in the US, you can put your country. Let me select my country manually. state province, you can put your state, you can put your province, you can put your city, you can put your phone number. I'm gonna change my phone number here, 666-246069, and then we're good to go. Which of these stages describes your venture? So my venture is at the idea stage, my venture is at the operational stage, so it just depends. So let me just put the idea stage, and then we're gonna be cool with that. Okay, so venture launch date, whatever they're asking, well, you just make sure you just answer these questions frankly, let's say December, or you can put anything, you can put any dates, and you can, or they want you to answer the question, what's the name of your venture? You can say mobile phones, or you can say sell education. You can put here what type of venture idea or venture do you have. Let me just say financial education. You can say what's the industry that best describe your venture. They're gonna give you a list of industries. You can select from there. Business consulting coaching, let's just select that. If it's cool, then this one, if you're doing non-profit or whatever, so you can say for profit, and then you continue. So it's kind of a little bit of a process, but you're gonna get through it. Self-assessment, setup and planning, market research, and whatever. So what type of startup activities you have performed? Created a business plan, perform the competitive analysis, assess the value of the market, interview potential customers, create a prototype, try to sell to customers. I can take this. Okay, how much confidence do you have in your ability to manage your time effectively? Not at all. They're gonna ask you so many questions. You just answer, but answer frankly. I'm just hurrying up because I want to kill time, Self-assessment. So they're gonna ask you some self-assessment stuff. So how much confidence do you have in your knowledge in your chosen field? You can say neutral. You don't have a lot of knowledge, How much confidence do you have in your ability to identify the target customers? Neutral. You don't know, that's why you need a mentor. You can say confidence here. You can say not confident here, and then you go to the next step. So as easy as that, you get. And then you're gonna say you're on step 6 out of 9, and we're gonna go to how much confidence do you have in your ability to organize and maintain financial records of your business. You can say neutral, because not everyone knows these things. Some of us need to learn from the mentors that we're looking for. Alright, so I'm in step 7 out of 9, so there are actually 9 steps. So how much confidence do you have in your ability to clearly and concisely explain your business idea in everyday terms? You can see confidence here. If you got a business idea, you can confidently explain it. How much confidence do you have in your ability to get others to identify, believe in your vision? You can say neutral, and then we go to the 8th step. Alright, so how much confidence do you have in your ability to recruit or hire? Confidence. Alright, not at all confidence. You can say neutral. That's why I need a mentor. Not confident. Neutral. Here we go. Alright, so complete your profile. Choose 3 areas of expertise will be most helpful to your venture right now: accounting, finance, resource management, or whatever. So you can choose management. Under management, you have leadership. have sales. Under sales, you have retail and consumer sales. Under startup, you have getting started. No, you have getting started, and we're cool. Write a brief description of your venture or mentors to see. So you can just say, you can just write something. What language do you speak fluently? Well, write a brief description of your venture. Okay, you can just say, I have a small business that is meant to educate and skill the youths for a better future. We aim to make them self-employed. Alright, that should be all for me. What language do I speak fluently? I'll just take English. And in which countries do you operate? You can say Cameroon. That's cool by me. Gender, you can say male. If you're female, you can put female. How a mentor can help me. My current challenges. Let me just say finance. Let me just say administration, management. So how to manage it. What actions I've taken so far. I have sent letters to friends and families for funding. Funding assistance. Alright. So my future goal to raise enough startup capital. My motivations to work with a mentor. So what's your motivation to work with a mentor? It's kind of like they're asking what's what's causing you to work, because I have limited knowledge. That motivates me. So website, if you're a website, you can go there and you click it, your website type, if you have a URL, if whatever order. So you say finish or add website. So if your company has got a website, okay, your birth year, in which countries? I said Cameroon. I thought I did this. Gender, male, year of birth. You can say 1969, I think. Even though that's not my year of birth, though, I'm just trying to. Select Cameroon here. It's gonna go. Alright, so we're good to go. I did not upload my picture, so that's it. So view my profile. So you've created your profile. So now you've created your profile. They have sent you mentors recommended for you. So they have sent you mentors that align with what you just registered for. So these are mentors, and you just need to view their profile If you view the mentor's profile, click on view profile and you see the mentor's profile here. You see Believe Iboyi, and you see that he's from Lagos, education, training, English and whatever, and you're gonna see his profile. When you click and maybe you want someone who is abroad, or you want someone who let me just say this one, you want to view his profile. So you go straight here, you see Ashraf Abdel Fattah, location Moto Cairo, Egypt, business consulting coach, Arabic, English. So you can connect with him. So if you want to connect with him, all you need to do is just click connect with Ashraf, and you can send him a message. When you send him a message, say hello sir, please can I be your mentee? Alright, he's gonna reply you. So I've sent him a message, and in about 24 hours he's gonna reply me. So I have sent him a message. Okay, so he's gonna reply me. Okay, so for any questions how you can be a mentor, you can send a message to me, okay, or you can write us at tbacameroon@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have paid courses on forex, design, and all crypto courses which you pay, and then we teach you online. And if you want to get to our building, our school, you can also contact us at TBA Cameroon. For any support or whatever, you can also write us, call us, get to us. We are quick to reply your messages. Have a nice time and stay blessed.